Good afternoon, chart family. Chart gal Lori here, going over Fab4Futures. We're going to start out with ES, then go to NASDAQ, YM, and RTY. We're starting from strongest to weakest. ES got a new all-time high today, and we are very close to this 4-hour bull break. So we got the 4-hour bull break here where we broke 297175, and then now we've got the all-time high left at 298175. Looking at ES, we are not overbought, but once we clear this 298175, it won't matter because we'll be blue sky breakout, and RSI does not matter in that scenario as much. So look at the 50 MA serving as support today on the 1 hour. I have to be honest, I got faked out right here. We had this little bull break middle of the night, and then because we weren't doing it on significant volume, it doesn't count. So remember, when we're looking at bull breaks by just a couple dollars, always look at your volume, because when I woke up, I'm like, oh, we had a bull break. But just check your volume. It really needs to happen during regular trading hours or on heavy volume in order to be a true bull break. So 298175 is our support. And then we are in a 15-minute bull flag when we open back up, and we have support down at 2966 and 295850. So we are overbought on the 15-minute time frame. Just take a note of that. On open, our second strongest is NASDAQ. So NASDAQ is not at an all-time high. So we have resistance over here at 787250, 787950. So just be cognizant of that, because RSI will come into play. And NASDAQ hourly, we're at 68. So we're all right. We're okay. But we got to break this next resistance of 784975. So again, we got a little bull break here. It happened on lower bull volume, and then we pulled back pretty sharply, again landing on that 50 MA on the hourly. So on the 15-minute, we don't have support. Our last 15-minute higher low, we could call it 7794 as a support level, but the true last higher low was 776925. Okay, then we have YM. YM has a little bit ways to go here. It needs to break 26896, the highest of this move, and then it has resistance back at 26922. And then we have resistance at 26966. So a couple more resistances comparatively versus ES. So we are not overbought on the hourly, and we are overbought on the 15-minute. So just be wary of that as well. Your short-term supports 26684, 26621, and then no resistance. We got that double top at 26889. And just to drop a trading strategy in, if I were looking to trade this, let's say this evening, which I probably won't be because of family commitments, this is a very comfortable level to short for me, this 26889, and maybe with a stop at 26896 if YM price could get higher. I need it to get higher because it's not close to all-time high. So that's why I would choose YM to short versus ES. So that's just a trading strategy tip. I'm not saying I'm going to short it, and if I would, my stops would be hecka hard stops. This 26896, I would obey like nobody's business. So just be careful in shorting a bull market. And then finally, RTY. RTY was very weak today. We got a 4-hour lower low. I just drew this trend line just to show you how the algos are just so exact. So we draw a trend line from this starting level here. These two wicks wick down straight on it. And then this bull volume was pretty low toward the end of the day, the last 4 hours. So actually, yeah, the last 3.5 hours. So low bull volume, very weak. We need a change on the hourly. But what I could see possibly happening, that this is just me playing crystal ball lady, is if we don't open up above this 1573, is so we've got this pullback from 1573.60 to 1573.60, and then we have the pullback to 1554.70 is some type of equilibrium. And then if RTY, I was about to say IWM, RTY could get over 1573.60, then we know our hourly low is set, and then we'd be looking for a trend change over here at 1577.10. So on the hourly, the most likely scenario is equilibrium. We did get Tesla news after hours. I think that'd be more of a ES or NASDAQ function and influence versus IWM, but we shall see. Thank y'all for listening. I appreciate your patience with me in my summer inconsistent hours, and I will see y'all in the room if you need me. As always, tag me. Have a good night.